Hello. Welcome to my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom cabinet because you guys are currently inside of it. I'm going to turn you guys around and I'm going to show you all of the products that I have in here and how I have them set up and give you guys just an overall view of it. And then I'm going to go into each product that I use on the daily and show you guys what I've been using on my face for a while now. I have my hair up and out of my face and my bangs and a little clip because I'm also going to show you guys what I use on my face and how I use it on my face. And I'm going to show you each and every product and tell you why I love it. I have been loving how my face has been feeling and looking lately. I have been wearing less and less foundation just because my skin has been treating me very right, and that's because I've been treating my skin right, because it is such a huge priority for me to take really good care of my skin. So I want to show you guys everything that I'm using. Before we get into the video, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that I know to make more videos like this one, and also make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss a new video from me. So without any further ado, let's get into all these products. I'll turn you guys around. This is my simple mirrored bathroom cabinet. This is the way that I have my products set up currently. I moved around the little glass shelves so that I could put them in the order that I wanted and fit in the taller products. And I think I'll start down at this very bottom shelf. This is the Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover eye pads. So you just put that on your eye and you can remove your makeup really easily. And then these are some cotton pads, round cotton pads. I use these all the time with like a micellar water and the toners that are above. Some Q-tips to get off stubborn eye makeup with the Neutrogena eye makeup remover that I have up there. On the second shelf, we have mostly True Botanical stuff except for this fresh cleansing oil and this Burt's Bees Complete Nourishment Oil, which I talked about both of those in my March favorites video. And I'm excited to get into why I love this True Botanicals line in just a moment. I'll show you guys what I use and why I use it and why I love it. On my top shelf, starting right here, this is the oil-free eye makeup remover from Neutrogena. I've been using this as long as I've been wearing makeup. It's a staple in my collection and I use it all the time. The Simple Micellar Cleansing Water, which I've told you guys about plenty of times. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, which I love. Obviously, I love everything that's in here because it's in my bathroom cabinet, but this is the iSun Sapphire Facial Oil, which I talked about before and I absolutely, obviously love. This is the Kiehl's Clearly Collection Dark Spot Solution. This is a Nuxe lip balm that I really like. It's so nice on your lips. This is the Fresh Soy Cleanser. And lastly, this Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Boom, that's the crew. Starting off my routine with True Botanicals Hydrating Cleanser. This wasn't in my cabinet because I've been keeping it right at my sink. This cleanser is non-toxic and paraben-free. The consistency is super silky and it feels so good on my skin. It helps to balance everything out and removes dead skin cells, leaves my skin feeling super clean and hydrated. Next, I'm going in with a micellar water. I switch between the Garnier one and the Simple Skincare one. This helps me to remove extra leftover makeup while adding extra hydration to my skin. I just put it on a round cotton pad and rub it gently all over my face. This is my favorite toner, the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner by Fresh. The bottle is gorgeous. There's rose petals inside of it, which just makes me so happy when I use it. I have combination skin, so this product helps me balance everything out and helps soothe any dry areas I might have. It's made with rose water and rose flower oil to help nourish my skin, and it just feels so good. This little jar helps with dark spots. The Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. This won't work overnight, but if you are consistent with it, you will see results. It's made with white birch and peony extract to help correct with appearances of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Now I'm going in with an essence. Fresh's Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Yes, kombucha on your face. This stuff does all the good stuff you can imagine. This is great for fine lines, uneven texture, and protects your skin from pollution, and here in LA, I really need that. It's no skincare routine without a good facial oil. This is the True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. It's made with passion fruit oil and papaya seed oil. Instead of a cream or gel that tends to sit on the top of my skin, I can feel this face oil deliver nutrients into the deeper layers of my skin, and I love it. I always make sure to bring this product down my neck as well. I got this lip balm in France. It smells like honey, and I just love how moisturizing it is. If any of you French beauties use this, let me know in the comments below. This has been a star in my life recently, the Supergoop SPF 40. This is my new go-to for protection. It's made with a health protective antioxidant found in olive oil. It honestly just feels like moisturizer. It rubs into the skin transparent, and it doesn't have a strong scent. I'm just really into this, and I highly recommend for protection. This is my skin with all of my daily morning care. It feels so plump, so good, so moisturized, and also protected, which is super important. And then I just put on any makeup that I feel like wearing over it. For my nighttime skincare routine, I do everything that I've done so far, but we're just gonna go back one step. We're gonna cancel out the sunscreen because obviously I don't need sunscreen when I'm going to sleep at night. And I'm gonna use the True Botanicals Cellular Repair Serum. This serum is an overnight treatment that reverses damage caused by sun exposure and aging. It's a bit on the pricier side, to be honest, but you get what you pay for when it comes to ingredients and what it does for your skin. This will help your skin retain more moisture and makes my skin feel so plump and like silk. Sometimes I like to mix in this antioxidant booster into my serum. This is the first ever skincare product to use apple peel powder, which is shown to be a more potent antioxidant than vitamin C. Now I'm going to get into the masks that I like to use on a pamper night in. When I got my facial in Ojai, she told me that this mask will allow me to have the facial I got at home, which has proven to be true for me. I'm getting the same results at home when using this, and a little bit goes a very long way. You only need it on for about 5 minutes, and when I take it off, my skin looks so smooth and glowy. It seriously renews my skin. I like using this mask directly after using the True Botanicals Resurfacing Mask. This is Fresh's Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. This mask is quickly becoming my favorite mask of all time. It's so refreshing. You only need it on for 5 minutes. The moisture stays with you after you remove it, and it gently exfoliates. Also, it smells so amazing. This is all around a plus product from me. Before bed, I've been using Fresh's Black Tea Firming Overnight Mask. I make sure to put this mask in the areas that I want to firm up a bit more, specifically between my brows and by my lips. When I wake up in the morning, my skin looks firmer visibly, like you can completely tell, and I've seen such great results from this product. Lastly, for a little extra pamper, I sometimes use this facial mist from True Botanicals, or I really love the beauty elixir from Caudalie. Makes me feel like I'm at a spa and just feels super refreshing before bed or in the middle of the day. Hello guys. So I realized when I was editing this video that I didn't really do an outro, so I wanted to pop in here really quickly and say I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. I'm about to head to dinner right now, so I'm wearing a little floral kimono and a little jean jumpsuit. Just want to tell you guys that I love you and I hope that you're having a really good day, and I will see you very soon in a new video. I also found this beautiful little pink bush as my backdrop because I was walking outside and it looked like the best place to do it. Okay, bye.